LAN shops, internet cafes, cyber cafes. If you search them on Google today, you find tons of one-star reviews in Singapore. And they are bad. This was my childhood. It was like my second home. It was the first time I played CS 1.6, Warcraft 3, Dota. And I left a girl's party because she held it in Singing Leisure and there was a LAN shop there and Left 4 Dead just came out. It's a trampoline park now. My mission is to find out, and if it's really that bad, complain, feedback, and maybe we will get back the glory days of LAN shops in the past. And I'm not doing this alone. I'm bringing Vincent from Titan Academy. Yes, that Vincent. He's like my only real life friend that plays games. He's a bigger gamer than me, and that says a lot. Let's start the first one at Boogies. Here we are at the worst LAN shop in Singapore. Fun fact, this is the first and only esports hotel.
I've heard about this place, but I never actually went.
The hotel itself has its own negative views, but we are here just for the LAN shop, which, who is Sadhil say?
Paid for an hour, my mouse was missing a side button, replacement mouse wasn't working, switch PC, staff forgot to turn on my PC for
15 minutes.
PC gets turned on finally with only 30 minutes left. No refund, no extra time, 1 star.
Looking very promising.
Ahmad.
Good ambience, good peripherals, good rates, $4 an hour, but the setup requires some configuration and Valorant doesn't work, all because they are on
Windows 10.
What the hell?
Lots of games require you to go to the counter first, which is weird from my experience. 1 star.
You know, we'll be the judge of it, huh?
This is gonna be interesting because we play games that are not normally LAN shop games.
Yeah.
I play Battlefield 6 a lot now, and you play
Tarkov a lot.
So I think maybe this could be a story of whether we can find our games on LAN shops. Okay, let's go in.
Way, hey, head up, she rises. Way, hey, head up.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't look bad. Oh.
Okay lah. No bad. There's 10 PC set up right at the entrance, and it's more of a hotel lobby. There's a pantry, this is where the rooms are, and whoa, why are they taping the toilet? Well, lucky we're not testing toilets. Hi, we just want to play some games. Is that okay? Yeah, can. Yeah, we get 2 hours each. And make sure you all have food. Food?
Food I don't have, but snacks or drink or like.
Okay, can. Get me a drink. This is your selection.
Snickers.
Or Snickers or Twix.
350. There's gonna be some crazy LAN shops later in this video. Look at this. What the hell is this? So you gotta stick around and stay here. Also, why are you not subscribed? Subscribe now! Okay, everything's all Razer.
You didn't go cheap.
No, actually this is like the cheapest Razer things you can get.
Honestly, you could go cheaper.
Oh, that's true.
The one thing I hate the most,
What's wrong?
clicky keyboards.
Quick tour of the peripherals. Keyboard is the MSI Vigor GK50 Elite. Headset Razer Black V2X. Mouse Raider Death Adder Essential. Big question, are there side buttons on our mouse?
It does. It does.
No, to be honest, it kind of feels new.
Maybe they read the review.
They probably did.
Does mine have the side button? Side button, check. Spec of the PCs, these were 12400F with 3060. And the cable management was not ideal. And sorry, I had to do this.
Plastic. It's plastic. No way, it's in there tight there. Oh no, it's in there tight. Take out plastic.
Why would you do that?
You can see it's stock cooler, 3060, a bit dusty, but nothing out of the usual. We have Valorant. I thought the review said no Valorant. We try.
Maybe he read the review.
Got CSGO. CSGO 2.
They got Cyberpunk. Wow.
Oh?
Surprising. They even have Valorant China. They have Wolf Team.
Wow. There's Audition. There's a typical Singapore LAN shop game.
Like what? From 2010?
I guess we try Valorant, right? Because the review said there's no Valorant. And don't forget, because Ahmad said that Valorant wasn't working because of... Oh yeah, they updated it. It's working.
Valorant runs not bad on the main menu.
Okay.
You can check out the night market now. And what do we get for the golds? Okay, bad, but you know, doesn't mean the game is bad. Like, PC is running fine.
And yeah, we played some Valorant, some Left 4 Dead 2, and I had to play Audition. Sadly, they didn't have Battlefield 6 or Tarkov, so we left for lunch. We're gonna rate in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
4.5. Okay. 3.
Yeah,
Okay, why 3?
Honestly, if you're looking for somewhere to just play games, it does the job. It could have been higher if I got the vibe from the area. It still felt like a hotel lobby. It felt like I was in a hotel lobby. I couldn't scream, I couldn't like shout, I couldn't say like, whoa, yeah, whoa. I couldn't scold the team damn loudly.
For me, I gave 4 because I expected a lot worse. I mean, the service was he did his job.
There's no food.
There's no food. There's no. But I expected like dodgy place. We're gonna eat lunch and then the next location. After that scrumptious meal, we decided to walk to the next destination, one that every Singaporean gamer should know, Park Lane. This place has a reputation that goes beyond just gaming and depend on who you ask, not always in a good way. Let's just say you can game, then get some action, clean your teeth, and then get tuition, all in the same building. You can't do LAN shop without coming to Park Lane.
Oh my god, back in like early 2010s, I used to come here all the time. Downstairs was all just LAN shops. And now it's all just Chinese karaoke clubs. Chinese KTVs.
This place actually has some good reviews.
Really?
Yeah, but that's not stopping them getting 1-star reviews. Jonathan Teo says,
The computers and internet were terrible and were not smooth at all. The staff was playing League on his own computer and didn't even try to help us. The ping was 200.
oh no.
That's horrible, eh?
No refunds either, despite it being unplayable. 1 star.
Next review, Glenn.
The Chinese staff was rude when dealing with guests. Almost started an altercation. PC kid crashing mid-game. 1 star.
Why does this sound worse than the first one that we went to?
I don't know, man.
Dude at the counter was sleeping. Kindly woke him up and he started getting mad at me. Like, am I supposed to wait for him to wake up? I was in the middle of the game and my mouse got broken. Dude, without asking, just transferred my PC during mid-game. And I got banned. Told him I don't want to sit here, and bro said, do you see anybody complaining? And the dude was playing Genshin Impact, which I was not surprised since he looked like a virgin. I almost broke his jaw.
Maybe this guy is gone already, Maybe now they have a nice, welcoming staff right now, right? We should just go and check it out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go check it out, They're hiring, so they must be doing well. Oh, they got racing sim.
No, they don't. So let me give you a quick tour. There's about 35 PCs and 2 consoles. The guy at the desk was actually pretty friendly. Vincent got some M&Ms. Equipment and PC wise were exactly the same as the last one because we realized
It's the same thing. No, look, it's the same. So what, do we continue?
at least they have Maggie Mee.
At least they have Maggie Mee.
At least they have Maggie Mee.
And chocolate.
And chocolate.
Okay, good news is they have more games.
Oh, is it?
They have StarCraft now.
Oh.
They have yeah, that's about it.
My side button is not working. And the air condition wasn't working very well, or there was too many people because it was so stuffy and damn hot, yeah. We wanted to play Fortnite, it crashed. New plan. We're just gonna play one game just to see how it is, and then we go to a upstairs one. Yeah. We ended up playing Valorant again, and this happened.
My mouse keeps disconnecting.
Guy, me entering, bro.
How's the vibe though?
Feels like a lunch job.
All in all, this place was very uncomfortable. I was sweating, and we went to another LAN shop upstairs. Big old gaming. Promising, right? Come on, this is like classic LAN shop. It's $2, bro.
Do you see any game from the year 2020?
We have yet to find a place where there's Battlefield 6 or Tarkov. This could be the place.
Push.
Quick tour, there's about 40 PCs, there's heavy duty fans all over. Here are some things you can buy. And I realize a lot of people buy their own food here. And guess what?
They have Battlefield 6.
Yeah, but I don't think they got Tarkov.
I doubt they have Tarkov.
Oh, they got Battlefield 1 too. We're gonna play Battlefield 6. We're gonna play Race. But before that, hardware review. The keyboard was some membrane keyboard, mouse was the heavier Logitech. My PC was running a 3060, however Vincent was running a 4060. He even had a 144Hz monitor while mine was 60Hz. So I changed to another PC. And we played Battlefield 6 Red Sack. Here is where things got fun. Let me try to commentate the game. Alright, we are rolling in. I'm driving, Vincent on guns. This is about to get messy. Enemy is right in front of us. Vincent just started spraying. I'm not waiting. I'm jumping out of the car, lining up. Bang! Down! That's how we do it, driver and exterminator. Next objective push, me and Vincent speeding in again. I hop out first, full send straight through the middle. Vincent stay back, so right angle. Oh no, he got run straight into the enemy. He tries to fight it, but he gets dropped. Meanwhile, I'm already chasing someone down. The guy is running for his life. I'm closing in. He's one shot, and the round ends, bro. The timing. In the end, we managed to get second for the whole game with
67 kills, bro.
6-7. Okay, first location, rating in 3, 2, 1. One star. Really is one star. So hot.
It was hot. The games were very slow.
Mouse broken.
My mouse broken, keeps disconnecting. I finally get to see what my Valorant teammates sound like and look like.
Guy, me entering, bro. It's a shit.
He kept scolding his teammates. I'm like, yep, this is the people that I'm matching with online.
Okay, second location. 3, 2, 1. 4.5, man.
I gave it 5.
5.
It gave me the, the nostalgic piece, LAN experience, people playing in the background, the aircon damn cold.
You know what, I like the fans because the fans make noise, right, so that you can shout.
Yeah.
You can see people are there for hours. There's food, there's like trash everywhere.
Yeah.
Cheap. $2 an hour. Compared to the click, it's $4 an hour.
Cheap for $2 an hour, but they had Battlefield 6. And our PCs had a 4060.
Yes. Yes.
That is surprising.
But no Tarkov yet.
No Tarkov yet.
No Tarkov. That's why it's 4.5 for me.
No one's I bet you no LAN shop in Singapore is gonna have Tarkov.
Let's see the last location. We're at our last location at Cathay, and this is legit a 5-star LAN shop. Like 5 star.
Like no bad reviews, kind.
But there's still bad reviews.
Okay, no one's ever pleased.
Okay, this is a long one. This place was well advertised, futuristic design, 24/7 access, and couples rooms available, which were the reasons why we decided to patronize in the first place. We opt for a 2-hour gaming session for 2 packs. That cost $9.70 per hour, totaling approximately $40. Mind you, the 5-star review here are from the free drinks/snacks.
There's free drinks and snacks?
I guess so.
Okay, that's a plus for me.
However, the moment we walked in the room, there was this extremely musty smell. The smell was especially strong in the blankets and mouse pads. It was so strong that we couldn't start playing any games at all. We contacted the staff and they were willing to help. They kept bringing new blankets, but every replacement had the exact same odor. When we asked for a refund, the manager displayed a very poor service attitude and poor conflict resolution skills. Not only did she fail to acknowledge our complaint, she repeatedly insisted there was no smell, which completely invalidated our experience. She was not open to any feedback or comments. Everything we said seemed to go over her head. Ultimately, we were not able to get a refund, so we used the remaining credit to purchase the overpriced snacks. Overall, although the rest of the staff were warm and friendly, eager to help, disappointingly, the service by the manager was extremely poor and the space was just uncomfortable for us. Additionally, the gaming consoles such as mouse and keyboards are really not up to standard. They just felt really cheap to the touch. 1 star.
Because it seems like it's 3 weeks ago. Maybe 3 weeks ago there was some laundry issue.
Maybe.
Yeah.
They didn't send the laundry in time.
We will test it out.
Yeah, we'll test it out.
Okay, for this place, I'm gonna start with the tour. Are you all ready? Cue music. If there's a word for this place, it's exquisite. Friendlier staff, imagine Hai Di Lao but for LAN shops. They have actual proper food and bubble tea you can order. We had complimentary watermelon. And yes, this is $9.70 per hour. The staff gave us a tour of the PC and the room. And yeah, there were towels with slippers and wet wipes which I thought were condoms. We had a funny interaction with Xiao Hang, the staff.
Wet wipes, earphone cover, toothbrush, and Swiss.
Oh wow, okay, thank
That
you.
was condoms. The blanket, smell or not?
Come together. No lah.
Where got?
Confirm it's the same person lah. What Jay and Yin y'all know something wrong ah.
So got free sweets, condoms, slippers.
It's wet wipes, okay, it's wet wipes.
Equipment tour, the chair first class. Custom keyboard with proper tactile switches. Wireless esports mouse and headset made custom for the LAN shop. But if you want to use the Logitech Superlight, you can lend it from them. I really don't understand why the review said the peripherals were bad or not up to standard, because so far I was really happy. The PCs were the cherry on top. Custom wall-mounted PCs with 9070 XT, the latest GPU from AMD, with the 7800X 3D. The monitor, 1440p, 240Hz, 27-inch monitor. I don't know, man. This is very overstimulated.
This right here, right, is not for people who just want to play game.
It's an experience, bro. Oh, try a drink. Good shit, man.
Good shit.
They have China server Escape from Tarkov.
What?
I don't know. Let's just go into it.
What the hell?
Why you run so fast?
Because I know this map like the back of my head. Just remember what I look like, okay?
I forget how you look like already.
I'm wearing a hat.
Oh, Americans!
Oh, where the f am I getting shot at from?
Americans!
Help me lah!
Help you?
Yeah, come and back me up.
I don't know where you are.
Shoot him!
I don't know where you are.
The flashlight!
Is that you?
No, the one with the flashlight.
Okay, down.
Julian!
Where are you? Oh my god!
Run!
Oh my god!
That's
Oh
the
my
boss.
god!
Just run.
That was fun. That was cheap thrills. Okay, rating in 3, 2, 1. 5 star. Easy 5 star.
Like honestly, I didn't even want to leave. I was so comfortable.
Yeah,
there.
you know.
There's food, there's slippers, there's a blanket. I feel like you can sleep there for the whole day.
Good hardware, good service. What was that smell of the?
No smell.
No smell.
No, confirm the guy that went there or the girl that went there, you the smelly one.
Yeah, this is how I feel. You know, Hai Di Lao very expensive, right? But you
Service.
want to go there because of service. Yes,
Yes.
the service is great. From the 4 LAN shops we go, you only can choose one. Which one will you choose? 3, 2, 1. Elixir.
third one.
The blackout. The
blackout,
only
yeah.
fans. I call it the only fans.
Only fans place, yeah. Because it's cheap. There's the games I want to play there already, and it's it gives you the LAN shop experience. Here is for the you want to feel like you're playing at home, but you're not at home.
I think to me here is because the hardware. It's a 9070 with a 7800X 3D, so good CPU with good GPU. Maybe the next video we can try staying in a hotel with the gaming.
Okay, let's try it out.
Yeah.
Staycation with Julian and
we can stay there, then stay at JB one.
Oh my
Maybe
god.
then we can compare.
Let's do it.
This video reminded me the memories were never about the place. They were about the people you do it with. Because in a country that never slows down, sometimes the best memory comes from slowing down with the right people. Remember to like, comment what we should do next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm done.